Dr. Perigo is really awesome. He is so good at what he does. Most patients who have fears of coming to the dentist leave feeling just really surprised that it was not as scary as they thought it would be. And so I really enjoy getting to experience that side and to know and be confident in knowing that the procedures are going to go so well that there's no doubt in my mind that he's going to treat him well. I'm going to treat him well. He's also very patient, and I think that that's something very uncommon for people to, in this field of job, to be patient, because you've got a schedule and you've got to stay with that. But he is very patient throughout the day and very kind to everyone. So it's a pleasure working with him.